Audio Jungle.
Hello, this is Marsa 15 Mix TV. Binabati ko ng maligayang kaarawan ang ating ka-team na si Sis Lovely Laika Vlogs. Ang napaka-supportive na kasama natin sa GC. Happy birthday sis. Thank you so much sa iyong support. May sakit ka man o wala, andyan ka. Basta may net, nandyan ka palagi. Salamat sa iyong supportive. Support sa ating team. And of course, ang isang mapagkatiwalaan na kasama sa team. Salamat sis. More power. Ingat ka palagi. Ingatan na yung channel. More blessings. Basta happy-happy lang. Ang YT andyan lang. Mas priority pa rin syempre yung kalusugan. At syempre yung ginagawa mo. Thank you for everything, okay? Alam mo na yung ibig kong sabihin. God bless you. Happy birthday. Stay humble, stay pretty, and of course, stay honest. Mapagkatiwalaan. Stay supportive also, okay? Thank you. God bless you. Happy birthday from Team Damayan. Mwah!
Hello guys. Mega love shout out sa inyong lahat guys, shout out sa aking mga ka-team at sa aking mga member. Thank you guys, thank you. At gumawa tayo ng video guys dahil gusto nating batiin ng happy birthday sa iyo, Lovely Laika Vlogs. Ayan, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan. Happy birthday, Lovely. At more and more birthdays to come, and enjoy your day. And ingatan palagi ang sarili. At thank you so much sa mga vlog mo, sa mga patawa mo sa mga vlogs mo. Ayan, nag-i-enjoy kami. Tuloy mo lang yan at more power pa sa iyong channel at more upload pa ng video. Ayan, thank you so much sa support sa akin at sa team. Thank you, and yan lang. Happy birthday ulit, and God bless. Ayan, bye. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Hello everyone. Just want to greet the one and only Lovely Laika Vlogs. A happy birthday. Sis Panda, I known you for quite a while, and I know you have a good heart. Just continue what you've been doing on YouTube and also in your life, and thank you for always supporting Team Damayan whenever you can. Okay, so we really appreciate all your doings in our team, not only in our team but also on our channel. So for that, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. From Prince Rio Vlogs, Prince SMR, and the Night Baker. I wish you a happy birthday, and hopefully we can meet each other, okay, soon. So, alright, so once again, I hope and pray for all that you wish in your life will come true, and everything you wish for will be granted by the Lord. Okay, and don't give up. Just focus on all your dreams, and everything will come into places. Okay, so this is Prince Ray Vlogs, The Night Baker, Princess Mar, wishing you a happy birthday. I love you, Sis Panda.
Hello mga kalalabs. Ito na naman ang inyong Lola Lem Vlogs. Ulit, no? Magandang umaga po sa lahat. Mga kalalabs, may gusto lang po akong batiin sa kanyang kaarawan. Si Lovely Laika. Lovely Laika, happy birthday sa iyo, Iha. Naway bigyan ka ni Lord na mahabang buhay at laging masaya at masaganang buhay. Ayan. At syempre, pag-ingatan ka lagi ni Lord sa bawat gawain mo o saan ka man naroroon at iadya ka sa anumang karamdaman. Ayan. Thank you nga pala sa laging nariyan ka sa iyong suporta para sa amin. Maraming salamat, lalabs ko, Lovely Laika, at more power your channel. Once again, I love you, happy birthday. God bless you.